In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Toyota app if it's not working on your phone, whether it keeps crashing, won't connect to your vehicle, or just freezes on the loading screen. Don't worry, I'll walk you through the steps to get it back up and running. First, make sure your phone has a strong internet connection. A weak Wi-Fi or mobile signal can cause the app to misbehave. If your connection looks fine, try restarting your phone. This can fix temporary glitches that stop the app from opening. Next, check your App Store to see if there's a Toyota app update available. If so, install it. Updates often fix known bugs. Still having trouble? Go into your phone's settings, find the Toyota app, and clear the cache and data. This removes any corrupted temporary files. As a last step, uninstall the app, restart your phone, and reinstall it from the official App Store. That usually does the trick. If this video helped you fix the Toyota app, please like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips. Thanks for watching.